What's up everyone, it's Jason here with Red Bee Labs and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to unbox and give you my review of the Elecbae Keyboard Case for the iPad Pro 11 inch. This to me is the closest I can get to a Surface laptop kind of case for the iPad Pro. Alright, so let's sit back, relax, and let's get into the video. Okay guys, for a long time I've been loving the kickstand on the Surface Pros and just wanted something small and thin like that for the iPad. That way I don't have to have a lot of bulk and all kind of stuff on my iPad, but you'd rarely find something like that without a huge stand and a big case to go around it and all this stuff and everything. Well, today I have a super thin one and comes with the keyboard. I mean, I can give or take the keyboard, it's whatever, but comes with the keyboard. It's super thin. Let's jump into it. I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, let me get this tape up. All right. Down there. Oh, simple enough. Take this and put it here. Let me see, you get a micro USB. Okay. I'm not gonna judge. I'm gonna slide this on over here. Plastic off of it. And there we go. Okay. So open it up. There you go. It detaches, which is awesome. It's a thin plastic, so I would have liked it to be a little. Oh, I don't know. I like the plastic here. I would like the little, maybe some microfiber inside or anything. But like I said, I haven't used it yet, so these are just impressions right off the bat. The kickstand, strong. Doesn't look too frail or anything. Looks really strong. Oh, it's tight, really tight. And it's recessed here, so it won't touch the back of your iPad. Even the camera's recessed. Okay. And I like the little pin holder. So to get a little charge going. All right, and the keyboard is super thin. I like that. I like it. Would have been nice if they had like a little trackpad up here or something like that. But I know we're not fully there yet with the iPad Pro. Let me get this. How thin that is. Okay. I am going to bring my trusted iPad over. And how you put it in is you just slide it down here and then snap. And that's good. She's in there. All right, and as I said, look how thin that is. That is super thin. Super thin. Try the pencil. Pencil fits in there good. Doesn't come out. It's got some nice protection on the side, but again, it's plastic, so But it's very nice. Let me pull this stand out because this is the thing I've been really looking forward to. Very nice. Doesn't move. Very nice. You can get really low. A little wiggle at the top, but other than that, it's pretty solid. Close in the back. I'll often show you. You've got your speaker cutouts, your microphone cutouts, and your power button is exposed, which is not a really big problem for me. It's recessed, so that's really gonna get it. You've got these weird little buttons on top of the buttons, which are a little clicky, but they're good. They're clicky, nice. I like them, not a problem. Down at the bottom, of course, you have your other speakers and the USB-C charging port. Let me open this on the side for you guys again so you can see almost just like a Surface. Or the Surface stand. Okay, and like I said, the camera is recessed, so the camera's okay. The camera cutout is recessed. All right, and let me grab this keyboard. I'm not leaving you out, keyboard, just, let me see. Okay, so you just snap it easily, nice. It does go all the way behind, and when you take it behind, it deactivates the keyboard. It still feels kind of weird to have a keyboard back there, but that's what the whole detaching is for. It has the sleep to wake built into it, so turn that off. hold this kickstand out, keyboard out. Okay. Let me go ahead and connect the keyboard. Bluetooth. And you're gonna hit the function key and delete. It's in the instructions, I'll show you. And then let those go. It'll pop up on here and say wireless keyboard 101. All right, connected and good to go. So this case is pretty awesome. If I can spell, right? Awesome. Oh my goodness, it's good. It's very, the travel on it is really good. Really good. I like it in a clicky, like a clicky case, yeah. The clicky keys, I really like that. You get your home key, very nice. Your brightness, Siri key, search. Let me see. You got your lock, you can lock it. That's really nice. Volumes up here. Oh, okay. You actually have a delete key. Okay, that's nice. Oh, let me close this up and just show you how thin this is all together. I mean, that's thin. I mean, you can easily carry that with you everywhere. Now, me, most of the time, because I'm not really overly into the keyboards right now. Like when I first started out, I was like, oh man, I gotta have a keyboard to type all this stuff and everything. But now I'm kind of looking for just something thin. I can like lay here. I can watch some movies and not have to worry about holding it up the whole time. It's super thin and sleek. I mean, would I've liked it to have like maybe like a leather kind of feel to the back. Maybe that would have, maybe that's like, you know, version 2. But for right now, it kind of does what I need it to do. And I'm pretty happy with it. Okay, guys. I'm going to have some links in the description so you can check it out and go pick you one up. If you're trying to mimic that Surface Pro style, which, don't get me wrong, the Surface Pro is an awesome laptop. But for me, not so much for tablet stuff. So I just wanted to get one of its best features, which was the kickstand. All right, guys. If you found value in this video, please smash that like button, comment, share the video, and also please click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos I release. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.